Come test drive the 2020 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.